In the last video, we learned that the Raman signal we obtain is strongly limited by the laser power we can apply to the sample, making it a bottleneck for the Raman imaging speed. In this video, I will introduce some ideas to overcome this limitation. When building a Raman imaging device, we often have more than enough laser power. In fact, we use neutral density filter to reduce the laser power and avoid damaging the sample. So, what if we could spread the laser power over a larger area and collect Raman signals from multiple points simultaneously? By doing this, we could increase the number of laser photons hitting the sample and consequently collect more Raman scatter photons. This concurrent or parallel operation method is quite common in engineering. The most intuitive approach is to spread the laser across an area and collect the image with a camera. However, we still need to differentiate the wavelengths of Raman scattering. One method is to use a tunable bandpass filter. By adjusting the spectral window of the Raman light that passes through, we can scan through the vibrational bands for an array of measurement points simultaneously. Another option is using a Michelson interferometer like what we use for FT Raman. However, the spectral resolution from tunable filters or FT Raman for visible laser isn't as good as conventional dispersive spectrometers, so these approaches aren't widely implemented. Collecting Raman signals with a fiber bundle is also possible while maintaining spectral resolution using a dispersive spectrometer. However, this method sacrifices spatial resolution due to the design limitations of the fiber bundle. Since collecting Raman spectra from a 2D array simultaneously is challenging, let's compromise by reducing laser from an area to a line. The scattered Raman signal are then projected onto the entrance slit of the spectrometer and collected along the entire height of the CCD. Each row of CCD pixels collects a spectrum for a point on the laser line, maintaining the nature of confocal Raman microscopy. Stay tuned as we dive deeper in this method and explore more promising advancements in our next episode. Thank you for watching and see you next time.